candle, or represent two different candles. We have the sell candles, and we have the buy candles. This represents sell candles, this represents buy candles. Now for every buy candle, please take note, for every buy candle, it opens from the down part and closes at the top. That's the movement. That's how they move. They move from down to the top. Like, let me explain. Let me show you on the chart. Look at this. Let me go to where we have. Yes. Now look at this stuff. The market opens right here on this candle. The market opens right here on this candle and closes here. The next one that is also a buy candle. Remember, we don't know until when the candle closes. That's when we'll now know if it's a buy candle or sell candle. So it closes above here. So it's a buy candle. The next one opens and closes. So let's just check. Let's just see these other ones. Check out these other ones. So these ones too. This one open right here. Okay. So this open right here, closes above here, opens right there, closes above there. So you can see that the buy candles, see how they are moving. They are moving upward. They're moving upward. So you can see right there. These are buy candles. Then now, if you check here, you will discover that when the market opens at this point, it closes down. It represents sell candles. Then now also some candles, they do have the wick. That's this part of the candle, and then they have this other part too. Now the peak of this candle right here is known as the highest price, while the lower part down here is known as the lowest price. Then why this one is identified as the open price, and then why this one is identified as the closing price, because the sell candle opens at the top and closes below. Just like you're coming down from a staircase, you start from top and then you walk down. But for buys, just like a staircase, you're climbing a staircase, so you start from down and you climb to the next one. So it opens, it's progressive. You are going up. Then it opens here, it opens here and closes here. So this part of the candles, this black stuff of the candles, oh sorry about that, this black part of these candles, they represent the wicks, or you can call them the shadow, but you can call it the upper shadow, while these ones here represent the lower shadow. That is these ones down here, they represent the lower shadow, while the peak, the bottom of this place is the lowest part of this candle. Then also from where this close, from where the market opens and close, and also from here where the market opens and close, represents the body. Forget about this line that is inside. They are just showing you the direction where this particular candle is going to. Please take note. They are just showing you the direction where this candle, buy candles, goes up, while sell candles comes down. So they're just showing you the direction where the candle is going to. So here is the body. From this point to this point is the body of this candle, while from here to here is the body of this candle. So please take note of that. It's very, very important. But as time goes on, I believe that you're going to be getting those informations. You are going to be assimilating them in a better way. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Okay, the next slide, now we are going to be talking about revision. We are just going to go through what we've been doing from the beginning. There's not much things. We have not been doing anything much. So I'm trying to do this stuff so that we won't have so much wasting so much time. So I'm just trying to see how I can be able to be fast and then ensure that we get this thing right on time. So from the beginning, we have been talking about the brief history of forex trading. What is forex? I'm just going to read through the slides. So we know we have the batching system, we had the gold standard, and we have the floating exchange. These were not just the only batching system type of system that we had before the main forex system. Remember, the main forex system has to do with the floating exchange system. The floating exchange system is the main forex system. So we had the commodity system, where ancient China and Africa were using cowrie shares, and then we also have the coin age, which the first country that produced coins were Lydia, and today they are being known as Turkey. Also, we have the paper money. Paper money, the first country that produced first paper money was China. They were the ones that produced the first paper money, actually. Then we also have what is forex, like I have explained much earlier. So forex trading is the act of buying and selling currencies in the forex market in order to make a profit. While the normal word for forex is known as foreign exchange or currency trading, is the largest financial market in the world, turning about is a 6 point something trillion US dollars. Is the largest financial market in the whole world. So what is traded in forex? In forex trading, we have forex trading, a currency is exchanged for another at a specific exchange rate or price. Example, we have the US dollar. US dollar and euro might be 1.2, which means that one US dollar can be exchanged for another. Okay, I'm just going to be fast. We have videos for this so that we don't waste so much of our time. And then what is traded in forex? What is traded in forex? We also have the base currency and the quote currency. Remember, please remember something. I was explaining something in the previous video, just in case you didn't get it clearly. I need to pay emphasis on this. Now, I was giving examples on this particular thing. So, but on a normal day, if you want to buy euro, you always buy it at the highest price. Please take note. Let me just make this correction here. You're going to be buying it at the highest price. That is, it is the ask price line. When you click on buy, you enter at the price that the ask line is showing at that particular moment. That's where you enter the trade at. Then for a sell, when you click on sell, remember you are buying the quotes, which is USD. For this particular example, you are buying the quote currency. That is what it means. But also don't forget the fact that when you sell, you are buying. You are selling the instrument. When you buy, you are also buying the instrument. But the meaning of what you are doing, that's what I'm trying to explain to us. Actually, the meaning of what you are doing, just in case you don't know, this is what I'm trying to explain to us. So, if you click on sell, take note and be informed that you are actually buying the US dollars. Then if you buy, take note that you are actually buying the euro. If you click on buy, you are actually buying the euro. And then now, for that sell, you always sell at a price that is currently available, that the bid price line is showing. That price that the bid price line is showing, that's the price you will sell the quote currency at. Then why the buy, that's the base currency, you always buy the base currency at the ask price line. That is the ask price. The price that the ask price is showing, that price that the ask price is showing, is what you are buying that base currency at. Then also don't forget that the difference between the two prices, because one will always be higher than the other one, is known as spread. That's what the brokers charge you for trading that particular instrument, which is this instrument in that case. For trading a particular instrument, the brokers charge you spread. So please take note of that. Okay, let's continue. The next one, currency pairs. We have major currency, we have minor currencies, and we also have exotic currencies. And then the market participants, we have the government, we have the central banks, we have the banks, the commercial banks, we have the hedge funds and retail traders. And what is liquidity? We have defined all this in the other videos. Just in case you're watching this, we've defined all of these stuffs in the other videos. I'm just taking us through, and we're not really going to go deep into it. So volatility is the degree of fluctuation in the exchange rate of a currency pair over a period of time. And then for today, this is what we'll be talking about for today. Settings, charts, colors, time frames, candlesticks, open and close candlesticks, revision is what we are doing right now. So from there, we have the chart settings. You can all go through this and you see all of them. And then from there, we move to chart colors on MT4. There we also move to time frames on MetaTrader 4 charts. We have candlestick charts on MT4. We have open and close candlesticks on MetaTrader 4. So you can always go through the video to understand. You can always go through this video to understand it properly, so that you don't misinterpret something else. Okay, guys. I'm so happy for you guys that you have been able to finish the first week. This is the end of the week, or the end of week one lessons. I'm so happy that you guys were able to go through these videos and you're able to understand and grab some level of information, which is very vital, and it's a good thing that you guys got the information. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time and energy. I really appreciate it so much. I'm going to be dropping it right here. Like I said much earlier, I'm out here to assist us, to help us, just in case you're a forex trader and you're already a forex trader and you are finding it difficult in any of your strategies, and there's maybe something you want to discuss, or you want to talk with someone, you want to just explain something to someone, or you believe that, you see, one thing about forex is this: the more you open yourself up to informations, you don't know where you're going to get the information that is going to really transform your strategy that you're really using. So please try your possible best to be open to people when someone is trying to pass on information on forex. Try your possible best to get it, because that thing that you've been looking for, the person might just give you on a default. Like, the person might just drop that information on a default, and you'll be like, wow, oh, this is stuff that I've been looking for my whole life. So guys, try your possible best to see how you can open up in forex. Why I'm saying this thing is because I myself have been in that state whereby I don't have anybody else able to talk to. Like, I'm like, oh, this thing I'm really doing, is it the best thing? Is it what I'm really, this stuff that I'm doing, is it the right thing that I'm supposed to be doing right now? Because you didn't have that person, you didn't have someone that you can be able to talk to, you have somebody that could be able to coach you or mentor you or stuff like that. But guys, guess what? I'm right here. Bring those ideas, bring those stuff. Let's talk about it. Then also share you my ideas, guys. Please take notes. I'm going to review to you guys a whole lot of stuffs right here. And we're just getting to know Williams, right? Some of us are just getting to know Williams. Anyway, from what I'm already doing, you guys can be able to see some things about me. So, but what I'm saying here in essence is that I'm going to show you guys a whole lot of stuffs that you're supposed to pay a reasonable amount of money to get the information. But you know what? God has done it all for you guys. I'm going to reveal everything to you. Let's finish up this beginner stage. When we get to the intermediate and the advanced stage, you're going to be seeing incredible insight on strategies and stuff like that. Thank you guys so much. I see you playing. UG William, your honest coach. Thank you guys, and God bless you.